the long line of V2s continue. This time we have two Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 to unbox and on-hand review. And also, is it a good sneaker investment? Well, if that interests you, let's go on. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today we have another unboxing day. We have two YEEZY Boost 350 V2 to be unboxed, and without further ado, let's do this. All right, so I was excited when I got these two YEEZY Boost 350 V2s, and actually because I'm already had a Adidas membership on adidas.com, so I just put on what I want, and when they drop the actual shoe, the actual day, so it will just automatically pick up my purchase if I am allowed to buy them. So it takes a while for adidas.com to send this to, because of what's going on. There we go. Boom. So we got 350s. This is the first one. Actually, the other one's been sitting for a while, and since I thought the other one I purchased also, so I said I'll just unbox them at the time to do this vlog. Next one. Boom. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, we got two Adidas 350 V2s. There we go. What do you think? Actually, check out the sizes. It's not my size. We got 6.5 here and size 8. Okay, as you can see, we got a typical box from Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2s, brown box and the numbering here, and the YEEZY Boost 350 Adidas right there. And check the front, we got the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2, and we got size 8, and as you can see right there, colorway is the citrin. So we got here the Adidas Boost 350 citrin. Well, it's non-reflective. Yup. Oh, come on. Okay, so this one, I was so like, I wanted to have the reflective colorway because main reason, resell. But hey, check that out. Ooh, huh. It's always amazed me when I see always get a new YEEZY Boost on hand. It's always like first time have them in hand. So what do you think on this one? Can you please leave us a thumbs up? So this one, we have the Adidas Boost Citrin non-reflective, which is look like a combination of color, which is the Antilla and Synth colorway. And as you already know, this is the non-reflective edition when it comes with the prime knit upper as a consistent prime knit upper, and it comes with this defining creamy yellow light pinkish gray colorway, as you can see all around. Wow, what do you think on this one? So as just I mentioned, this Adidas Boost 350 Citrin non-reflective colorway comes with the featured in its non-reflective edition. The defining yellow light pinkish gray citrin hue covers its entire prime knit construction while featuring the signature translucent side strip. Finally, a semi-translucent rib midsole that encases its boost cushioning, followed by a gum rubber outsole tops of the style. So this is really a good looking V2's YEEZY Boost 350. It wasn't my size 8. Wanted to have the Adidas V2 is the black ish with some kind of red something, and that's all that I wanted. I don't want to have a lot of different colorway of YEEZY Boost 350. You already know that I like Boost, right? Because it was really comfortable. It's been like one of the main shoes that I've been using as I go for a run. I just want to go for the black and red-ish, like a bread colorway. But hey, if you like this one, what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Let's go check it out what the StockX or GOAT, how much we are going to resell them, or how much would be the profit. Did I did good or did I like poop? Well, let's go. So based on the StockX right now, as you can see, we have here the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2 non-reflective, as you can see right there. And check out my size. What we got here is size 8. So size 8, and last sale was 305. Not bad. Yesterday some selling for 260 to 7 to 69 and 305. Not bad. Okay. Initial investment should be like this one is 233. So let's say if gonna sell it for 305, size 8, 305. So if I wanted to sell it for 305, my total payout after the processing fee and transaction fees is 269.93. So let's say 270. Let's say 270 minus my buy cost is 233 because I have to pay the tax. So I'm making at least 37 bucks if I wanted to sell it for 305, because yesterday, just like today, they already sold one for 305. Not bad. Wasn't like that one. $37 for profit on the YEEZY Boost 350 citrin non-reflective. So what do you think? Would you try to sell that one on that price? So next one to be unboxed, same with the YEEZY Boost 350, had the size 6.5, good size, right? And we had the colorway is linen. Ooh, check it out. Okay. It's still on cover. Boom. Ooh, check it out. Wow, nice color, huh? Hey, please leave a thumbs up. What do you think? So we have here the YEEZY Boost Adidas 350 V2 linen coral way. Yes, and it comes consistently with the prime knit upper. It's always right. Well, but the colorway is like a combination, looks like, of the butter and also the sesame cresting, just a darker yellowish tint. But hey, not bad for the color, huh? And 6.5, nice for resale. 2020 has been a big for the YEEZY line, and Kanye only looks to expand. One of those expansion is the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 linen. We know it's another tone-on colorway featuring an earthy tone. There's no denying that Kanye loves his usual palette, but at this point we just have to take what they gave us, even though it is a similar colorway as to a couple we've seen before. There are a lot of pros when it comes to this specific edition that are brand new design, featuring a linen makeover that covered the prime knit upper, laces, and rubber midsole. The colorway looks like this time the Adidas YEEZY 350 V2 linen rocks the light brownish prime knit upper. It also has a reflected side note in a bluish hue, which also present along the sock liner. Furthermore, the sneaker features a translucent light brownish sole, very similar to previous models. As always, it comes with the usual boost technology as well. Finally, the gum rubber outsole has a various ridge in white for added traction and the Boost logo. So let's take a look how much we're gonna profit on this Adidas Boost 350 beaters with the citrin and linen. So which one is better what we got here? Let's go check them out. Okay, now let's go check out the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2 linen, this one, and we got the size 6.5. so let's check out the size 6.5, how much they are selling for. So it looks like we have a better one here. Last sale was 355. What? Oh, check out the graph right there, up and down, but it looks like consistently going up, as you can see right there. And yesterday and today, wow, we have a lot of sales today. Mostly 359, 353, 361, another 351. Let's check out how many sales today. 10 was sold yesterday, and mostly way back like 350 and above. Most of the sales yesterday and today are selling 350 and above. Okay, if I wanted to sell this one to, what is this, size 6.5, okay, sell it to 360, because it might gonna go up. I think it might gonna go up. This one will might gonna hit 400, but let's assume we can sell it now for 360. So after the transaction fee, which is the $30 transaction fee, 8.5%, and processing fee is 310, I will be making 318. So calculate that one, 318 minus buy cost of 233. So I will be making at least 85 if I wanted to sell it now for 360, and if I wanted to go more a little bit, like 400, to make a $100 profit. But hey, what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? I would like to hear your thought. Also, please leave a comment. So it looks like the resale value of linens are much better rather than the citrin, because this one is not the reflective colorway. I believe the reflective colorway also a higher margin. Probably it's almost just like the same on the linen. But hey, which one is better? What do you think? Which one is better, the citrin or the linen? I would love to hear your thought, and also please leave a comment down below. And that will be all on this video. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you learned something new regarding reselling and the Adidas Boost 350 V2s, we got the citrin, non-reflective, and linens colorway. And I hope you like it. Please leave a thumbs up, and it helps the channel for YouTube algorithm. And also please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. As always, Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Ingat po kayo. Salamat po.